Hi, let us introduce you to Optics, a section of virtual physics labs. All equipment is located on a panel on the left. Click or tap the image to read the object's description. Drag an item to the optic bench to create a copy. Some objects have a constructor where you can adjust their properties beforehand. You can navigate along the optic bench, rotate the camera and zoom in to see the objects in detail. Drag the objects along the bench to relocate them. Some objects have interactive zones that can be used to change properties or state of objects. For example, you can rotate the prism, change a slide, adjust brightness of a light source, or change laser position on the axis. Some items shouldn't be used together. For example, only one light source can be located on the optical bench. If something prevents adding a new object on the bench, the application will show all conflicting objects. If you want to delete an object, drag it away from the bench in any direction. Some objects, i.e. the mirror or the Dove prism, are provided with an extra tool, a clipboard. Let's put it on the Dove prism. We can use the clipboard to draw straight lines with a pen and a ruler. After moving the ruler, we can rotate it with the mouse wheel. Lines can be drawn while the pen is active, and we can also correct the lines with a razor. You might want to create a save point during an experiment, in case something goes wrong, or if you want to repeat the experiment several times. Then you'll be able to load a saved state. Press the I button in the top right corner to enter the info mode. A round button will appear next to every object. Click it to see a label with extra information. Stay with us, keep exploring, and remember, physics can be truly exciting.